Guys, today I'm taking a look at another handy USB-C multi-port adapter. This one is the TC66 from Lemorele, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the TC66 USB-C multi-port adapter from Lemorele. Now, there are a ton of these adapters out there and they all offer different connectivity options and come in all shapes and sizes. This is a 7-in-1, and I have to say I've been lucky enough to review many Lemorele products and they almost always seem solid and have great build quality and represent good value. Now guys, before we get into it, Lemorele reached out to me and asked me to take a look at this 7-in-1 dongle in exchange for my honest review. And you know guys that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So before we get into it, let's get this unboxed and see what we have. Opening up the box, and it's all very straightforward, just the dock, no papers or anything. I guess this is what they call plug and play, and that's good, right? So taking a quick look around, we have the cable that connects via USB-C to your computer. In my case, a MacBook Pro. At the other end, we have an HDMI port which can output to an external monitor in 4K. Turn it round to the back and we have another HDMI port, which means you can have two external monitors connected as well as seeing your own laptop screen. You also have a 100-watt PD USB-C port so you can power other devices, and this port is intelligent and will deliver the right amount of power that the connected device needs, so pretty safe. Spin it around to the front now guys, and you've got 4 USB-A ports. Now you've got to be a bit careful here as 3 of these ports are USB 2.0, which is a bit strange, and only one is USB 3.0. I've no idea why this is the case, as if you had to have a USB 2.0 port, I would have thought, you know, for compatibility with other things and all the rest of it, you'd have probably had one of those and 3 USB 3.0 ports. But there you go. I don't know why that is, but it is what it is. And guys, if you turn it over or turn it around, they're all colored blue, which is pretty strange because generally USB 2.0 ports are black. So again, not sure why this is, but I don't know. Anyway, other limitations to be aware of is that if you do end up connecting 2 external monitors, some computers will only allow these to be displayed in 1080p, so beware of that. Otherwise, it's 4K all the way. So guys, there you have it. This TC66 USB-C multi-port adapter from Lemorele is fairly small, fairly light and fairly pocketable, so if you're on the move, it's good. I mean, I tried it with a Mac and an iPad, and you know what, everything worked just fine. It's pretty versatile, and like I said, if you're on the move, it's just the job to keep you connected. I mean, for me, the one thing I would like to have seen added to this adapter would have been card readers, but you know what, MacBook Pro has one built in, so not much of an issue for me, and I guess most Windows computers have also got SD card readers built in, so not too much of an issue, but you know what, would have made it quite a nice rounded product. But guys, it's solid, it does what it says on the tin, and it will keep you connected on the move. If you have any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. I'll leave any product descriptions and any discount codes in the description. If you'd like to see some of the other features of this in action, then leave me a comment guys. And if you'd like to give the video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. It really makes a difference. So guys, with that, please subscribe, please click on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you for watching, and thanks to Lemorele for sending me this very usable dongle to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.